Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can customize yourself in Heartopia. Well, like how you can create a character. This is a fairly new game, and here's where you can change your skin tone. Just select the one that you would like. I'm just going to stick with this. Hairstyles, there is a lot you can choose from, as you can see here. And I think I'm just going to choose this one because it looks the one like mine. Eyebrows, eyes. There's like pupil that you can like choose from, like pupil styles, I guess. And I think I'll just select this one here, the gentle one. Face paint, you can add freckles, wrinkles, like smile lines, I guess, like under eye bags, more freckles, and blush. You can also change the colors here. And lastly, we have clothing. Again, there's tops, bottoms, and shoes. And the style and clothing are changeable after entering the game. Once you're done, just press complete and you're ready to play. Press confirm, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.